Assalamu alaikum class. Our today's lecture is about Android Jump Start and Broadcast Receiver. Okay. So in our first slide, as you are seeing, Broadcast Receiver is basically like a message and data that is sent to all the applications that are added to listen for any event. Any event means any you can say required by the application, like if you are making the SMS filter application to filter specific numbers like spam words or promotions messages, then you have to register to listen the receive message broadcast in order to get and read the message and filter it. Okay. There are different type of broadcast, like when user enable or disable Wi-Fi, or when reboot, etc. Okay. You can also create a custom broadcast to let application know, uh, you can say that, for example, in this slide you are seeing an emulator image. Okay. And that is showing a battery low event. Here you are seeing this is an emulator image that is showing a battery low event occur, notifying the user, just like that it will also notify the battery low event to applications who listen to battery low event broadcast. Okay. Now in this slide you are seeing that the image in the slide is showing the flow. The flow that is first activity or first register for broadcast intent, and then when event occur the on receiver override method of broadcast receiver, and then it is called containing the data that will be used or consumed by the app. Okay. Now we created a simple Wi-Fi state capture snipe in the slide to get basic knowledge about code. Okay. Here we are seeing the first extent to the class that you want to receive the broadcast and extend it with extend keyword. Okay. And this keyword in the Java, here you are seeing, if it is visible to you people, you are seeing that extending it with the extend keyword in Java and colon keyword in the Kotlin with broadcast receiver. Okay. Class that will provide you this broadcast receiver class will provide you on receive method, and intent will have the data of event like message in case of message event. Okay. And in this slide the Wi-Fi permission, here the Wi-Fi permissions on the manifest in order to listen for Wi-Fi on and off event. Now we are going to the manifest. Here we are going to the manifest and adding a receiver. Okay. Receiver tag, just like you add activity tag. Here you are adding the receiver tag, just like you added the activity tag in manifest and a filter to define which broadcast to receive, and in on receive method data is displayed in form of string. Okay, now you can also register the broadcast in code programmatically, not in manifest. You can see the effects that will occur when you registered in manifest and code. Here in this code, you also register the broadcast in code programmatically, not in manifest. You will see the effects that will occur when you register manifest and code. Code is also provided to you in the folder. Also see the code. Okay, now they open the code and demo, give the demo of this class. Okay, class key classes and the methods are, as you are seeing, that Wi-Fi manager class provides the primary API for managing all aspects of Wi-Fi connectivity. Okay, and Wi-Fi manager dot Wi-Fi underscore state underscore changed action is what is broadcast intent action, intent indicating the Wi-Fi has been enabled or disabled, or enabling, disabling, or unknown. Okay, one extra provides this state as an int. Another extra provides the previous state if available. This receiver will be called with any broadcast intent that matches filter in the man application method that have been registered for the broadcast receiver, as broadcast receiver will be removed, and basic class or base class for the code that receive and handle broadcast intent is broadcast receiver. Now Android provides two ways for apps to send broadcast. First is manifest declare receiver, as you are seeing in this Kotlin code. Here also code is shared with you about context registered receiver. Okay, and the file for the code is provided to you also. Now manifest versus context declaration. What manifest is, in the manifest file, if your receiver is registered in the manifest and your app is not running, a new process will be created to handle the broadcast. While in the context, if you're registered it in code, it's tied to the life of the activities or the service you registered it in. Manifest is less secure while context is higher secure. Okay, and manifest performance is low or less and context is high performance. Examples can be like in manifest, apps that need to work as soon as the device is booted, or that must start work whenever an app is installed. Battery widget pros or app 2SDs are good examples for these kind of apps. For this type, you must register the broadcast in the manifest file. And context example is events that signal a change to circumstances your app might rely on. Say your app depends on an established Bluetooth connection, you must react to a state change, but only when your app is active. In this case, there is no need for a statically registered broadcast receiver. A dynamically registered one would be more reasonable. Okay, this was all about today's lecture. Now we are going to jump on our code, and code file will be shared to you. If any queries, then do ask. Okay.